Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Huawei device to Nokia G50 5G. Start by opening Play Store on Nokia and App Gallery on Huawei. Then you need to tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Following that, open it. Then you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Now choose Receive on Nokia and Send on Huawei. After that, tap on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with this one photo, choose Send and click Got it. Over here we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and tap on Receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, tap on this scanning icon on Nokia, choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. Then we wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred, but if you wish to make sure of it, you can always go into some kind of Files app, click on Images in my case and look for Send Anywhere section. As you can see, my photo is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!